Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In last video, we have discussed about the total consumption burner. That burner is used in AAS or FES. In today's video, we are going to discuss the premix burner, which is also used in atomic absorption spectroscopy or flame emission spectroscopy. Here is the typical premix burner. This burner consists of fuel, oxidant and the sample. Then there is the mixing baffles. At the top there is a burner head, above which there is the flame. The flame orifices in the form of long narrow slot. Hence, a long and the narrow flame is produced. That means in this type of the burner, the flame is in the form of long narrow slot. Then the fuel, oxidant and the sample, these all are taken into mixing chamber, and from there they are carried out in a series of baffles. That means there is the mixing baffles, and these three, that means the fuel, oxidant and the sample, they are get mixed before reaching to the burner head. Then we see what is the actual working of this burner. The fuel, sample and the oxidant gases are taken in a mixing chamber, and from there they are carried out through a series of the baffles. That means first the fuel, sample and the oxidant gases, these all are mixing in the mixing chamber, and after that they are carried in the series of the baffle. Due to this, they get mixed before reaching to the burner head, and the flame orifices in the form of the long narrow slot. Hence, a long narrow flame is produced. There is the small jet, and through a small jet, the sample is aspirated into a mixing chamber. The premix burner have the disadvantage. The disadvantage of this type of burner is that aspirator is produced droplet of the different size. That means there is the aspirator which produce the droplet which is different in the size. But due to the baffles, these droplets become uniform in the size before they reach the flame. That means there is the mixing baffle, and the role of this baffle is that they convert that different size of the droplets into the uniform size, and after that they reach into the flame. And the most important advantage of this type of burner is that the aspirated sample, fuel and the oxidant are premixed before they reach the opening of the burner. That means the name itself indicates that premix, because the sample, fuel and the oxidant are premixed before they aspirated or before they reach the opening of the burner. So the name itself indicates that premix burner. And after the mixing, they enter into the flame. The important disadvantage of this type of burner is that the very small part of that means about 5% of the sample reaches the flame, and the remaining 95% of the sample are wasted. Hence, this burner shows the poor or the lower sensitivity. Then, this burner is noiseless. A decomposition of the sample in this burner take place very easily. Hence, efficiency of the atomization is very good. So, this is the process of the process which is carried out in the premix burner, which is used in AAS or FES. Thank you.